doesn't go back to them. All right. And thank you so much for the bedtime stories. That was an amazing spot for us to hang out and relax. And coming in on our end here in the control room, I do have Blue Husky here, who, as promised, is that $10,000 marker, is going to crack open a nice bottle of Jose Cuervo Silver. Fill that mug up pretty good and unfortunately throw that all back. So, it's pretty full. And I'm going to go ahead and pass it off to him for some last remarks.
Thank you for donating. It's very important.
So, here goes nothing. And down the gullet he goes. What an absolute champion. Absolute champion for the people.
Now back to the house.
Now, we're going to go ahead and take us back to the house and see that shot of hot sauce.
Went so big that we went off the little screen. Yeah. So we got a $5 donation from Pup Astro. Thank you very much. And Fallboard. Fallboard donated $800 very generous $800 that put us over that line, which is why you just saw our wonderful AV host Blue Husky chugging a mug of tequila, and why Serb is pouring this shot glass full of Mad Dog 357 very ominously.
Smells. Wait,
Yeah.
so you're doing this before we do the thank yous to everybody else?
Yeah, so if he dies, it's just us three now.
Is it us three? Okay, I'll take over his spots there on the on the cue card.
Get the milk. I got the bucket. Okay.
If that's still a good bucket, I want it for sandcastles.
Oh, Jesus.
All
that
right.
is full. Oh, Jesus.
So we three. So are we counting down?
Okay.
All right.
He's doing it at his own
pace. I want to just count him down.
All right.
You got stuff to do.
Let's unscrew this first. I might not have the manual dexterity afterwards. All right.
All right.
Oh, wait, hold on.
We're getting an accurate recording.
Another angle.
Okay. Oh, God. All right.
All right, ready?
All right. $10,000. Thank you guys so much.
Impressive.
For a good cause, Fritz.
For very good cause.
$10,000 to kill Fritz.
Yeah, this is 30,000 meals for people who can't afford them. So, oh my God, guys, that's amazing.
All right. Well.
All right. Can I stall about anything else? What else we got to talk about? Pineapple on pizza. Did we ever go over that?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we went over it. It wins. It's great.
Yep.
All right, good.
It's okay.
Good. Okay, good. All right.
Pineapple on
Love
pizza
what you want to love.
Yeah.
Favorite movies. We talked about that.
Yes, we did.
Yeah? Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Yep.
We even did tacos. Okay.
Tacos too. Okay.
We did tacos. There's nothing left to do.
No.
Except the
Heaven.
You gotta
consumer.
thank the people.
Don't sniff
You can't
it.
thank the people until you
All
do
right.
your thing.
3,
Yeah.
2, 1.
2, 1.
Oh.
It's all gone.
Oh, I can smell that. Ooh.
Yeah, it's in the bucket. All right.
Yeah,
So let's just go right into it, right?
It's pepper
Whoa.
We're good.
Yeah.
Right.
So let's go to.
That's not a creeper. That just punches you right in the mouth.
Wow. Oh, that heat. I can
You just
feel
ate-
that emanating
Right,
off
I
of
feel
you
it.
here.
You just ate pepper spray.
Yeah.
Oh. That was
All right.
wonderful.
Hey, so are the brave protesters in Portland and Milwaukee and
everywhere else in the world.
oh
Can't
God.
even speak anymore.
Yep. Have trouble now. Oh God.
There you
There you
go.
go. And there goes your milk. Was that for the household? Are you gonna be okay missing
We'll get more.
Bye,
No,
milk. All right. Who we gotta thank?
that? All right, let's go on to the thanks.
well, you first. You guys.
Oh, that's right. You are first to thank. So as it gradually gets worse here, you're gonna have to start with the thank yous.
Thanking first, Cat and Canine.
Stop. Just stop. Just stop.
No,
Do
this
it
is
now.
great. This is perfect. Because we got the rest. He's gonna do this one. What about Cat and Canine? What can you tell us about them?
They're doing some stuff.
Okay, Metal, go for it, man. Go
Take
for it.
over.
All right, I'm gonna take over. Thank you, Cat and Canine, for both helping us with this event here for Furvana 2020, and for making sure to walk him through what to do during a pepper spray in the mouth here, and for the merchandise for our convention store, Con Store. Thank you very much for that. The next one we have to thank is Juby's turn to.
Oh, yeah. So thank you to Blue Husky who took that giant shot of tequila.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. That's not even a shot anymore. That's just a daily drinker now. And for setting us up and allowing us to, like, you know, host on his server and everything like that. So that's great, you know.
Oh yeah, this would not have happened without him.
Yeah, so
It couldn't have.
big thank you to you. We really appreciate it, man. Like, you know, we hope we could do this again, you know, for a different event maybe.
And we were inspired by your willingness to drink tequila.
That's
For
true.
Fritz to drink a shot
Yeah,
of
that's
Mad Dog
Mac-
357
Mac
from
and
Leavenworth,
Cane's.
Washington.
Yeah. So then, who's next?
Next, we want to thank all of our panelists, Mr. Big Kitty, Ian Keller, Meep, What Strange Beast. Oh my God,
That
thank
was
you
such a
so much.
Amazing.
Merch Minion, definitely.
Yep.
Rekka, DJ Headspace, Xander and Alkaline, and Tigress. Thank you all so incredibly much for being with us here tonight and providing such amazing content for our viewers.
Yeah. And then,
All right,
I
so
think Fritz is still
Fritz, do you want me to cover the
incapacitated.
next one?
Who we got? Oh yeah, Boat with Oars.
Thank
Boat
you.
with Oars.
Thank you,
Thank
Boat
you,
with
Boat
Oars.
Yeah.
Appreciated. So, just as the scene was progressing, it started, the outside of rim started losing air, just as our host here is kind of losing air too.
Collapsing. Okay.
Yeah. So you two, that's two of you guys. Okay. Next is. Oh yes. Although your name appears on here, it's me that gets a thank you. Thank you, Serb, for being the host for this lovely beach house.
Yes, I
It
know.
was a great excuse to remodel.
To those folks who didn't know, as we were planning out this stage set here, we wanted to put kitty litter down. And just
You
have that be
wanted
the
to
bitch.
put down kitty
We
litter.
all wanted to.
Leon
but
wanted it
since-
too, yes.
And that your cat wanted it too, but the host
was
would not let us do
vetoed.
this.
Right, yeah, it was
Vetoed with it's like, do you want to pick it up? And it's like, no.
Yeah.
So we thank you very much for hosting. To you,
Yeah,
and your,
absolutely.
Very much so.
I'm very glad that we were able to provide the space for this.
And you also turned us on to a nice place.
Oh yeah,
food.
Szechuan first. Yeah. If
So-
you've experienced the splendor of Szechuan first, you know what I'm talking about. And if you haven't, if you are ever at IKEA, go to Szechuan first. It is like 2 blocks away.
Nice. And we would like to thank people who are like truly behind the scenes, our chat monitors. You know,
Yeah.
right? I mean, they
Oh, they did such a good job.
yeah.
Amazing job.
I want to thank Karma. I want to thank Stark. I want to thank Kiba, and I would like to thank Kat. I feel like we, three's in a row, so we've thanked Kat 3 times
Oh
so
my
far,
gosh.
right? So MVP Kat right now.
MVP cat right now.
Okay. So and just thanks because like a stream can't run properly. We don't have to worry about it. We rely on you guys, so I appreciate it so much for you to be able to just take time out of your day to just do this, and it's just a wonderful experience altogether.
It truly was.
And then we have one more, at least special one, I guess.
Oh yeah, we want to thank, especially if you're on the West Coast, you will be very familiar with this. Thank you to all of the firefighters, the EMTs, the fire responders, the smoke outside, the fires. West Coast is burning and it sucks, and there are people on the front lines risking their lives to save people, to put out these fires.
During a pandemic, no less.
During a pandemic, no less. And we thank all of you for that, the effort you're putting in. It's all times are unprecedented, but I don't think anyone could have predicted just how different this year was.
Yeah.
It was different.
It's a lot, and we still have
3 months left. So if you
It's
got
almost over.
if you got aliens on your bingo card for 2020,
I have dinosaurs.
I'm really hoping they're like the Vulcan type of alien, where they're actually friendly and not
that would be
like
nice.
not like the Independence Day version.
Yeah.
Let's pray for Spock.
Yeah, that was good. So again, thank you all those first responders and firefighters out there. We appreciate for taking care of us while we've been indoors this whole time. Okay, and my turn here. We got thank you for everyone who watched and donated. So that's all of you who are still left with us on the stream. You've made it all the way here to the end. And a very painful ending it has been.
Oh yeah.
You have shocked and awed my co-chair here and me regards to how much we were able to raise for the food bank, and that is absolutely amazing.
Yeah, blew me away. Oh my god.
That's so many numbers.
I mean, like for a final total, it's $10,030 and some change.
3x change.
3x change from what I can physically see. That's a mind-blowing number.
And we had
32 cents. Great, perfect. Thank you.
oh, it would have been beyond that. Oh yeah, there it
Yeah,
goes.
so 32 cents, and every cent counts. You don't know how many people you've helped, no matter what amount you donated today, and it's just great.
Yeah.
It's just wonderful.
Absolutely.
Are you back among us, or are you?
I'm okay. I'm
right.
alright.
It's
It's out of my throat now. It's down here.
all right.
I don't know how. This isn't the first time I've seen him do this. He hasn't done that much. But
Yeah.
he's just like, whatever.
Your level of confidence at the beginning. Would you like to be a co-chair? That's like literally what it's like to be a chair for a furry convention here. That level of confidence you had going into that challenge, that was perfect.
We'll see how I feel tomorrow morning.
You will
be
not
fine.
be
That
happy,
literally
but
describes the chair
Yeah.
for a convention.
Whoa.
thankfully we're not going to be recording you tomorrow morning.
No, you don't want to do that. Yeah.
And then, so I mean, guys, I've had a wonderful day with
Yes.
you. Y'all,
Yes,
right?
this
Thank
was
you.
Furvana 2020. It was online. We had our panels, we had our guests of honors, and we had attendees attending it. We had a couple of people that came in and out. We had over 100 there.
Yeah, we peaked somewhere over 100. I don't know what it was. We had that one raid that gave us 177.
Yeah, that was
Extra
great.
people.
Extra
Yeah.
people on top of
Yeah.
the 80 something we had. Yeah.
This
so-
has been an impressive turnout, an impressive amount of donations from one of the most generous communities I can possibly imagine, with just a bunch of fantastic people who are donating hours on their Saturday to help do this. Hopefully we get to see every one of you in person in 363 days.
Yeah.
363 days now.
September 10th, 2021.
Please. Hopefully we'll be able to see everyone.
Yeah.
Stay healthy, stay safe, mask
healthy,
up when
yeah.
you're out, wash your hands,
Wear your mask.
wear your
please.
masks.
Don't be a ditz.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't be a dick. Hand sanitizer is great, but don't forget your hand lotion because you don't want your cuticles
Get
going
them.
to hell.
They have like ones that actually moisturize your hands.
Oh, I got some of that. Costco has
Yeah.
some great stuff. It smells like
Yeah.
orange.
Yeah, that's exactly what I
Oh,
got.
it's
yeah.
fantastic. I didn't know what I was missing. I was like, oh, antibacterial, this is the way to go. And I started doing that stuff. I'm like, wow, my hands don't hurt anymore.
Yeah.
So if you haven't registered yet for that event, go ahead and register now, so that way we can say, hey, they attended the online event and they
The register's
registered.
open now. Yeah.
So it
Yeah,
is
we're
open.
gonna be working hard to track down everyone who made a donation so we can get you that ribbon at the event. But yeah.
Get him. Get him.
So now now the fifth co-host has finally decided to show up.
Yeah.
Right.
Maybe.
Oh,
Oh, there we go. We got him.
oh,
We
here
got
he
him.
is.
Yeah.
Yep. So if you want to see his picture, I believe there is a post on our Twitter that shows that every time we exit the room, the cat comes in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. He has been invading our chairs pretty constantly.
My chair specifically.
You want to say something?
Meow.
He's He's like, nah. I'm good.
Awesome. So
That's in the
again,
hour command.
thank you all for joining us for tonight. If you've been with us from the very, very beginning, that is super awesome of you.
Yeah.
And those that have stayed to the end, you guys finally get to go to sleep.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up.
I guess we should go over just who we are once more, just so.
Oh yeah, let's remind people. Yeah, I'm Fritzy Wolf, co-chair of the event. This is Metal Fox, my fantastic co-chair.
Yep.
I'm Jubei Hero. I'm the guy.
Yeah, the
The
guy.
guy.
The guy that
The guy.
The
The guy.
You don't want to. You don't ever want to see the guy.
No, we do. You've been on camera for 8 hours. They've
no,
all seen
no,
your
No, I
you
meant
do
like
it, that-
personally, like alone. Like you don't want to.
But
see
you're
the-
making a video.
I
We're
don't have
making
to
a
see-
video.
But I won't be alone.
Oh yeah.
And I'm Serb. I'm the.
Perfect.
And
That's perfect.
classy.
co-host and Dealer's Den lead.
Yeah.
So if you guys want to check out our Dealer's Den, this is and see how awesome our people,
yeah.
excellent people selling stuff there. That's the person to thank.
All right. Thank you. I love you all. I'm
Thank
gonna
you.
go to the bathroom.
Yeah. This is the moment we go.
All right,
Thanks
man.
everyone.
Thank you so much, guys. We
Bye-bye.
appreciate it.
Run.
Sleep
Run,
well.
boy,
Drink
run.
some water, by the way. Drink.